I have some crab meat here. Got from Walmart. I'm just going to put some in here. I'm going to have to break it up a little bit. I'm just going to make a sandwich, crab sandwich. I'm not going to loosen that up any. Throw some mayonnaise in here. Mayo. That's it on that. Little heat. Okay. Kind of low on this mustard, brown mustard, so we'll see how much we can get out of here. See if that would be enough. So the onions that I have on my plate, because I want to put some in on my sandwich. I'm not going to put them in here because Will is not a great fan of onions. And I'm not just making this for myself. I'm toasting some bread right now also. I'm breaking it up just a little bit, not much. I'm just getting this wet so it'll have some kind of sauce when I put it on the bread. Sort of like a lobster roll or something. This deal is a little dry. You should use fresh, but this is what we got right here. I'm going to put a little garlic on it also, powder. Simply because I like garlic powder. No biggie. And that's all I'm going to do with this. And I'm going to check my toast and see if it's ready. I just asked Willie, did he want a regular sandwich or some crab meat? And he said he didn't feel like eating crab meat right now. It was a little bit too much on his stomach, so I'm going to go ahead and put the onions in there because that's what I like in mine. And mix that all together. Set it to one side and get me a plate. It's the toast and what it looks like. I didn't get it real brown on this side. I just wanted it to hold up under the weight of the meat. Okay, I got me some lettuce here. I'm gonna put down. Like I say, the meat already has the sauce on it. This is going to be a really healthy sandwich. Did you have to say healthy that many times, child? Yes. And then we're going to put some on this bread over here because it's going to be two of them. And I will be eating this on my mukbang channel. So with all of this lusciousness, there will be eating sounds on that channel. So if you like that kind of thing, be sure to look in my description box. And my mukbang channel is called Tasty Sensations. And I also have an ASMR channel also. It's called Tingling Sensations. But this right here, I have a cooking channel called Val Cooks. It's all that's in the description box. And I'm going to put the bread on top of that right here. right here. Try not to put that prettiness back together. You know how we gotta make it look pretty for the camera's sake. Check it out. Let you get a good look at it before I cut it. Cause that's a big mouthful to try to open your mouth and bite it like that. Let's try to cut this side now. And I'll see all you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people in the next video. Enjoy.